Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the phone is powered and the SIM is active. That avoids confusing settings. Open Settings now and type Network into the search if you don't see it. Tap Network and Internet or Connections to enter mobile controls. Once here, you'll find Mobile Network or SIM settings. This is where roaming toggles live. Make sure you're in the right SIM slot if your phone has two. This prevents changing the wrong account. You now tap Mobile Network or the SIM entry shown. Scroll to Data Roaming and flip the switch off. You'll see a clear enabled/disabled state. This stops the device from connecting to foreign networks and prevents surprise charges, which is why it's critical. If your phone uses dual SIM, do the same for the second SIM so both are protected. Once disabled, cellular data remains available on your home network unless you turn it off separately. You should confirm by watching the status bar. No roaming icon should appear. If the setting doesn't take effect, restart the phone to force a network refresh. Once done, toggling airplane mode on for 5 seconds and off can also re-register the device correctly. If roaming still occurs, reset network settings or contact your carrier because some plans enforce roaming or require a carrier-side block. Make sure to verify billing protection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.